Okay, we're kind of screwed now. We're on some really screwed. This is just getting worse and worse. We're looking for a place to turn around, and I don't think we're gonna find it. Baby, why is you? Yeah, wasn't the best idea. It's going straight up. Farts. This is a.
How come this map took us this way?
There goes our paint. Yeah, this was an error. We keep finding ourselves in these kind of predicaments because of this darn GPS.
Oh my God!
This is it.
Turn around here.
Hell no.
Yeah.
No, we aren't. I'll try.
Oh shit. Yeah, babe. There's no
way to turn around here. There's no way to turn around here. I don't know what to do.
Babe, you gotta be able to turn.
How am I going to turn around?
I don't know. I don't know.
I think
There's 10 minutes of this?
Huh?
10 minutes of this? Oh, crap.
How do you like this? Oh, there's water right there. The road's washed out above us. All right, well. Okay, you're gonna have to get out. Wait, hold on. Let me. No, there's no way of doing it, baby. I can tell you right now. There's no way of turning this sucker around. I'm gonna have to back down this whole road.
You got it?
No, I don't have it. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we were able to do a 15-point U-turn.
With the skin of our teeth.
I had this thing at a I had this thing at a 45, this trailer. And I just put it in four-wheel and blew across some trees, brush. Our truck is just being scored to death. The road was washed out up there. Now, I would have backed down this. I have no problems backing down. It was just taking a little while. But this is what they call a road off a road off a road. Now one more road off of this and you're clear. They can't find you. They'd never find you. But I mean, we could stop right here and camp for the night and nobody would be coming up.
Oh shit.
And you can tell there hasn't been any trailers on this. Oh, our antennas. Oh well. why else do you have an RV and a truck if you aren't going to push it? Okay, well, now that we've accomplished this, I said we go down to Oregon Creek and do some gold mining, man. What the heck? The road here, okay. Now there's the lake out there. It's right out there somewhere. And up there, what's up there? Dead end? That's a dead end. So we're gonna go back to Strawberry. We'll come down to this day use and just check it out. All right, back on a superhighway. Feels good. And we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Have you heard all that? But the only way to get out of here, yeah, there's just no way, is to take this road all the way through. And we don't know where it goes. Now, the girl told us if we keep on this road, it should take us back to Highway 20. But this is the road. A road off a road off a road. Well, that's what it's going to be called. The road off the road off the road. And this is a road off a road. Right? We've only taken one turn. Cow Root Pagan Wife, known as the Lost RVers, and now you know why. Because it's roads off roads off of roads. See ya. 10 bucks. Well, hell. So the campgrounds are all locked in. And you can't take a trailer down to the marina. So, yet, another disappointing dead end. But at least we're able to turn around on this one. Oh, wait, here's another road down. What's this one say? What's this one say, baby?
Eagle Bright.
What's that one say?
Joe Miller, funded by California Division of...
But what is it? It doesn't say no trailers. You want to go down there?
Oh, baby. If you get down there, you can't turn down.
Well, we're going down. Like this. I just saw a fish jump right there. How you like this? Finally. Now we are in a no parking zone in a closed down area, but the gate was open, and we're just going to fish off that dock right there until they kick us out for a few minutes anyway, right? Can you believe this? The Lost RVers finally find something. Yay, us. Bye. Yeah, sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you get lucky. You go down the right road. We got lucky this time. So for RV road trip number 22, it ends in fishing. So far, who knows? We still got some miles to go. But how quaint is this? How relaxing. And we're the only ones here. Because we are the Lost RVers. Lost no more. See you guys.